Good afternoon and welcome to Shawano News, your positive source in a crazy world. I'm your host, Jaime Lee. Today we get cleaning with Lakeview Revival. Woo! The morning job is just begun. I am here with the owner, Bryce. Nice to have you.
Yeah, thanks for having us out this morning. It's a little chilly, not what we want for Memorial Day weekend, but I think it's going to be nice weather coming up. So
I think it's a perfect day to get cleaning, get everything prepared, your house for the summer. So tell us, how did you get into the washing business?
I first started out window cleaning when I was just in high school. But from there, through our professional careers, my wife wanted to stay home with our kids. So we had our third child, and I decided to form a window cleaning business on the side. And then from there, I decided I better wash houses as well. And it really just took off within a year or year and a half, and we went full time.
Well, congratulations. You have a lead tech here, Cody. Hi.
Hi.
Tell us, what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to do the full revival package. So we're going to clean the roof, we're going to clean the house, and we're going to clean all the windows, screens, and tracks.
Okay, you think you can train me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to work. Lakeview Revival. What are you doing?
So what we do on our basic house wash is after we apply our solution, we're going to take our extension poles, we're actually going to scrub all the fascia and the gutters, make sure we're getting all that grime and the lichen and stuff off of there, and it really just shines everything up.
This is a big extension. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're capable of going up over 60 feet with these. As far as I'm aware, we're the only ones that are really using these nice poles because they really get the job done. So.
And speaking of, high and big equipment, why should people hire a professional to do this instead of doing it themselves?
The number one reason is your safety, but also we take into back our resources with our knowledge, but also your time. So we have a large 2-story home today where we're doing a full revival package. When we're really going all out with 3 guys, we're going to be here for maybe 4.5 hours and really have the whole place looking nice for the rest of the summer. So
number one, time and safety.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yep. Okay. So with our equipment, we're yeah. Go ahead.
That's heavy.
Yeah, it's not light. So.
Okay. Oh. Now we're for the second step. We're on the roof, which again, we want to emphasize safety first. The guys helped me up here, but you guys are the pros. What are we doing now?
So now we're into our next stage of gutter cleaning. So a lot of springtime and fall time gutter cleanings, obviously with the seeds and everything else coming down, all the roof debris, your gutters get clogged. So right now we're just going to be laddering up to all the gutters and checking them over. These have been not cleaned since the fall, so there's just a lot of leaf debris. I know we got some clogged downspouts as well.
What is this?
That's just a little extension. It's a nice little extra arm reach, so I don't have to move my ladder 25 times. I can just move it 6 times and get the whole house done. So.
How long does this take, the whole process of cleaning a house?
The whole process, this is a whole revival package, probably about 4.5, 5 hours. But we're doing a roof cleaning, a gutter cleaning, the full windows and a full house wash and some deck cleaning as well. So.
And you still have availability for the summer if people want to call?
Yep, definitely. Yeah, please call or schedule online with us. Just inquire at lakeviewrevival.com. We'd be happy to come and give you a free on-site estimate and really see the revival needs of your property.
I can tell you guys are really detail-oriented too, not letting any nook or cranny or roof or shingle go uncleaned.
Yeah, and it's all just steps in the process too. So we like to start up high and work our way down. It just makes life easier for us and the homeowner. You can go to work and come home to a nice clean house.
Love that. Okay, help me down. One of the most important parts is getting these windows clean. Give us some tips for windows, Bryce.
Without giving away our secrets, you know, we get asked, we clean a lot of restaurants or whatever, so we get asked, what's your secret to streak-free windows? And we just say, you know, good tools and the right solution. So you could get away with just using Dawn dish soap. It allows a good cleaning adjective and allows it just to be a streak-free shine if you get it all away. But we use professional cleaning soaps along with other tetrasodiums and triphosphates and all kinds of stuff mixed in there.
Fancy.
It gets a little chemistry
Science,
related
yes.
to things. Yes, definitely. But yeah, so we add certain wetting agents and slip agents and all kinds of stuff to our soaps. So it's
Okay,
not just
well,
water and dish soap, but you could
Let's
get away with
to
that.
work.
So.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so first we want to mop our window, get it nice and wet, and then we're going to do what I call our polishing act of things. So I really just get it nice and wet, get that soap onto everything, and then I'm going to grab my scrub pad and just safely get all of our corners and edges.
Okay, wait, I got to do something here too then.
Yeah.
I got to put Shawano News and Art.
There you go.
Okay.
And we're going to wipe that right away. So this is this part where we call our polishing of the glass. So just a nice abrasive pad that's safe on glass. It's going to take all the gunk off and really get a good deep clean. And then our final steps is just squeegeeing. So for us, using good tools.
I want to do that.
Yeah.
That is so
We'll re-wet it here and
satisfying.
we'll see if you can't make it look like an elephant sneezed on it.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and get her wet.
Here we go. What's a little song I can sing?
Car wash.
At the car wash, at the car wash, yeah. Okay, Shawano News again.
Yep.
My touch and
Give her a shot.
squeegee.
Oh, I think
Ooh.
she's done this before, starting with some straight pulls.
Well, this is amazing. And another thing is, you're a local family.
Yeah. Yep. So my wife was a school teacher, but like I said earlier, she wanted to stay home with the kids. So we formed that business. But 3 kids, we're almost 9, 6, and 4. So we're involved with youth area sports and other events going on. And then, you know, the guys that we employ are all family guys or kids that are growing up in the area, going to school. So it's really just local focused and
So support local families, local
definitely.
business.
Yep,
All working together to keep Shawano clean and sparkly.
yeah.
Thanks, Bryce.
You bet.
Another day, another job. No job too big or too small. Today we're doing commercial. So you not only do residential, but you do big buildings here in town as well.
Yeah, so we'll do anything from a small storefront to large commercial buildings in and around Shawano or down to Green Bay even. But then obviously about 90% of our clientele is residential. So homes big and small all over the lakes or in the country. So.
Okay, beautiful day. So how many windows are you gonna do today in this big complex? The Elizabeth Street Business Complex.
Yes, inside and out. And then on the interior, there's some higher glass too. It's probably around 200 panes of glass. So we'll be here for just a few hours.
Okay, so good to know. Residential, commercial, he does it all. This is Jaime Lee signing off for Shawano News. Keep living and loving in the 54166.